Not someday, not in the future. Right now. AI didn't replace people, it replaced the middle. And here's the pattern nobody talks about. The people who understand AI agents are moving up. The people who don't are slowly being automated out. This isn't about coding. They're replacing repetitive tasks. Creativity stays. Judgment stays. Think different. It observes, understands, and acts. This is exploding now because the barrier is gone. Today, AI didn't get smarter, it got accessible. They're quietly reshaping roles. In customer operations, research, administration, and content. They don't right now, a quiet divide is forming. On one side, people who see AI as happening to them. On the other, people who guide